Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Coming to you today from Organic Approach in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, where I would like to show you a new product that we have. We've maintained radio silence with our videos and our blog posts and everything for quite a while. It's been more than a year now, but I hope that doesn't mean that you think we've been resting on our laurels over here. We've had a problem come to our attention, problem that many people have. And we over here at Organic Approach are in the business of solving problems, our own, hopefully, and yours as well. We have today an organic fertilizer for you. It's kind of first of its kind, best in its class, not gonna lie. This here is called Encourage. So I'm showing you the solution now before I told you the problem. I got a little bit ahead of my skis. The problem is that a lot of people want to use an organic fertilizer and a high quality organic fertilizer that has a lot of complexity and diversity to it rather than just two ingredients like a 10-0-10 or something like that. The complexity and diversity, it feeds biomass. It doesn't just feed the plant. And we know that that's kind of the whole idea of organics in the first place, or at least natural growing practices. And so what we've done is, in order to avoid the freight sensitivity and the volume handling issues with organic liquid fertilizers, which can be good in many applications, we've come up with a fully water-soluble organic fertilizer here, and it's called Encourage. And this is the brainchild of probably like 24 months of research and development, more than that. We started blending things that long ago. So we have soft served this product. It's been in production for more than a year. It's been in production for 15, 18 months at least. And we have sold it to a number of people, a number of good clients that have been around for a long time that want to try something new. We got feedback, we tweaked it again, we got feedback again, we tweaked it some more. And so what we have here, again, totally water soluble, organic fertilizer, 1104. Now we can make this in a couple different formulations, and right now in front of you, you have our all natural formulation and our organic formulation for all of you that actually need a certifiable product. Now, one handles just a little bit nicer than the other, barely, just because of some of the materials that we have to use. One is just a little bit more expensive than the other because of, again, the materials and inputs that we have to use. Both of these products, though, are essentially identical. There's more than 15, I want to say there's 17 ingredients in each of these bags, homogeneously blended. So what we have is a powder. It's a powder, it's fine. It's milled well, it's mixed well, it's blended homogeneously. 2 pounds of this to 8 pounds of this will make 100 gallons of tank mix, depending on what you're doing, what season it is, and whether you want to go with a low or a high rate. Now, these products both are sister products to our Nourish, which is really kind of our flagship deal here over at Organic Approach. We do a lot of different things, but this one's my favorite. This is the one that goes in my tank mix for tree care every single day that I have my rig on the road. 2 pounds to 100 gallons. This is your biostimulant product. So this has things that this does not, and this has things that this does not. And if we tried to marry them together, we wouldn't give you the same value, because organic inputs just simply are not as concentrated as synthetic and chemical inputs are. So this is as best as we've been able to refine it yet. This is your biostimulant package, Nourish, and same name, hyperlink, Encourage is your feed. And so these products together work in concert to achieve results in anything you do, whether it's turf, greenway ag, tree care, orcharding, absolutely anything. This is your one-stop shop. And then you can also pair it with our Nourish with Iron if you're looking for a little bit of a green up or you need that micro bump. So again, this is Josh Morgan coming to you from Organic Approach in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And I am making this video come out January 1st because the economy's bad. People need value, our clients need value, our friends need value, our planet needs value, our planet needs to be treated just a little bit better than it is, maybe a little bit more than a little bit. And this is a product that you can do that with, and that you can be proud to have in your tank, and that'll mix well for you. little bit of pre-mixing helps if you don't have paddle agitation or something like that. If you just have circulation, you may want to mix it up in a bucket, especially on those cold days, just because, well, it's the same thing as making pancakes in your kitchen. I mean, this pancake batter, we soft-served it as crepes first, but we finally got it to where we have it now. And I think that it handles rather well for what it is. We're going to do a little fun thing here. I'm going to actually take a spoonful of this. Now, this is going to be more than what your rate would be in your tank. And this is just a glass of water here. That's the consistency of your product. That's how it looks. That's its color. We just chunk that in right there, and I'm going to give it a little whip. Isn't that funny how it changed the color of that water? That's just crazy. Even though I'm the guy who makes it, I hardly know what's in it. Just kidding. It's all good stuff. And probably if I wanted to, I could drink that. I'm not going to because I just ate lunch, and that's neither here nor there, and I'm wearing white too, so that probably wouldn't fly so well. But I hope that you give this product a shot, and we look forward to hearing from you over here at Organic Approach.